Hello, friends. Who do we have here? How are you doing, Vinayak? Vinayak, can you
Hello
hear me?
everyone. I guess, yep, I can hear you. I guess there is some issue from my side. I'll just resolve that. I guess till the time we can interact with the audience.
Sure. You want to go off stream and resolve it? Cool, never mind. How is everyone in the chat doing? I'll see a lot of hellos. Hi, hey. How was day three for you all? You want to give us a little bit of sneak peek into how your day three went? Tell us about your favorite sessions. Tell us about what you have been up to. Tell us about the challenges that you attempted. All of it. We'd love to hear them. How to get this background, we can definitely drop this on Discord. I think I did it somewhere today when I was streaming because someone asked for it, but we'll do that again. We'll do that definitely. Hey, we're doing absolutely good. Thanks for asking. It was very great trying to create a chatbot. We're glad you liked it. I think it was Karuna's session, if I'm not wrong. Uh, Tell us more about it. Tell us what you built. Tell us how, where you started and where you are right now. Oh, did Ryan drop it? Cool, we'll drop it again for anybody who missed us or missed having it the last time.
I'm back, I guess, with a
Hi,
better internet connection.
I hope
Hey
so. Can you hear me
Siddharth.
fine now?
Yep, it's all good. I have just changed the internet connection back. Hey everyone. Hello, hello, hello. I can see a lot of people jumping in,
Hi,
and I guess we are almost ready for today day.
that's correct. You want to tell us how your day's been? Day three and the whole AI ML week. I think you have been doing multiple things. You just got off the Wikipedia races as well. How was your day?
So it was kind of a I went out with my mom for a little bit
Mhm.
of shopping. I usually do not
Mhm.
do it for a long time, but she instructed me that we need to go and buy you some clothes. Like
Mhm.
MLS do send me cool tees, but need to find some clothes when I go out. So yep, it was a good day with her overall, and I had two streams I guess today. Wikipedia races and one more that was yesterday,
Mhm.
another mini event, and amazing response from the people. People were actually playing Wikipedia races with a lot of interest, and I was able to see that people were able to wanting to find new and new paths in Wikipedia races. We have tons of
Mhm.
like hackers like Yash, then it was Kushal, Tanzania. All the people were present, and it was so much like whenever I actually play Wikipedia races, it's all about how about I can find multiple paths, but I'm not able to find
Mhm.
even a single. So I need to get better at that game. But yes, always loved by the energy that are being portrayed by the hackers.
That's nice. We love to see it. We hope to have more of those sessions for all of you as well. Do you think we can get started now? All good?
Definitely, all good.
Let's go. We'll do a quick round of introductions, but before we get there, did you realize that it's day four already? We've had day
Uh,
three, 2 days of it going on so quickly.
like I'll be very honest, global every time when Global Hack Week starts, we start
Hmm.
with day one with a lot of energy. Mary and Ryan coming in and spreading like what we will be doing the whole week, and the time just passes just like that. And we will not realize, and then we will be around like to the last day explaining what hackers actually did. And that is what Global Hack Week is all about, like people hackers participating, enjoying Global Hack Week, enjoying seeing multiple streams, learning from it. So yep, and I'm super excited for what's coming for day 4.
That's nice. Let's get right into it. Before we get there, let's introduce ourselves. If you've not seen me around yet, I'm Siddharth. I work as a first party events coordinator at MLH. And my fun fact for today is I had a very fancy flavored ice cream, which was fig and honey. And I absolutely loved it. Vinayak, you want to go next?
Yep. So, hey everyone, if like I am a coach at Major League Hacking, and a fun fact about me that I play a lot of video games, and the people who are actually playing Wikipedia races might be thinking, okay, they might be able to relate. But if you play video games, you can find me at my socials, and we can connect and play those games together.
Love it. You should definitely do that. Oh, and I am surprised to find out that a lot of people in the chat did not know fig and honey existed as a flavor. Interesting. It does, and you should definitely go try it. You too, Vinayak?
Yes, I wanted to say that I have heard that for the first time. So even I was thinking when we were preparing for that, what is fig and honey?
Uh-huh.
And now I'm able to. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try that.
You should. You all should definitely do that. Let's dive straight into what's happening today. Starting with Alberto's session, we're going to be exploring TensorFlow.js, which all of you might know is a platform that you use for AI and ML stuff. Join Alberto at 1 p.m. Eastern, which is 11:30 p.m. IST.
And then you should join Herschel for diving deeper with TensorFlow JS. I still remember, I guess Herschel has done such stream
Mhm.
back at Global Hack Weeks, and that is super interesting. You should join Herschel at 3 p.m. Eastern time and 1:30 a.m. Eastern, like Indian Standard Time. I know it's a bit late for Indian Standard Time, but believe me, this is gonna be a cool stream.
Of course, and we see a lot of Harshil fans as well in the chat. So it's going to be a
Yep,
full house, I'm
definitely.
guessing. Up
Yep.
next is Dimmer with his video editing with free tools 101 session. He's going live at 6 p.m. Eastern, which is 4:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time.
And next in you should join Will for Hack Your Coffee with ML. This is a beautiful AI ML week at Global Hack Week. You should join Will at 8 p.m. Eastern time and 6:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you're someone who loves to wake up early at, like if you're in India and if you love to wake up early, you should join Will and definitely hack your coffee with machine learning.
And I would love to say that here that Hack Your Coffee sessions have been very popular at all of our Global Hack Week streams. So if you've not been around, or if you've been around for the older ones as well, you should go definitely check this out if you can manage to. The next one up here is preparing for a technical interview, another favorite for every hacker that we have in our community, which is by Aziman at 9 p.m. Eastern, which is 7:30 a.m. IST.
And adding to this, you should join Kev at actually understanding the difference between AI, ML, and DL. And you should join Kev at 1 a.m. Eastern Time and 11:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So again, if you're someone who wakes up late in this Indian time or who uh, stays up till night at the Eastern Time, make sure you join him at 1 a.m. Eastern and 11:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time.
Sweet. And then it's me with another session. This time around, we're going to talk about inclusive AI, understanding the different biases that might have crept into the models that you build, and understand how we're going to fix all of those things. Join me at 4 a.m. Eastern, which is 2:30 p.m. IST.
Okay, then we have Saga, who has amazing session at Learn ML with no code. That is using Globe.ai. Join Sagar at 6 a.m. Eastern Time and 4:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. A fun fact about this: if you're someone who is into AI and ML and you think there is a lot of coding and stuff you need to learn, believe me, with the no-code tools which are available, and specifically Sagar, he has used it a lot many of times, and he is a great explainer. You should definitely hop into the stream.
No code tools are definitely magical. I think this is Sagar's first individual session as well. So go shower him with all the love, make him feel special, give him all the support to do the stream. Next up is the chatbot session. I saw someone mention in the chat as well. This is part 3 of Karuna's creating a chatbot session. Join Karuna at 8 a.m. Eastern, which is 6:30 p.m. IST.
And then I guess we have lots and lots of session for today. Then we have Kev, who is again back with exploring the power of AI, OpenAI, GPT, Art AI, Chart AI, and Admin AI. I guess I also need to attend this session. You need to join Kev at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Believe me, you're gonna love this session. And definitely, this is something new for me too. So you will find me there, waving highs in the stream.
Definitely a lot to learn from Kevin this session. How about today's challenges? If you have not been able to figure out where the challenges are at GHW as in globalhackweek.mlh.io/challenges, or you could just go to ghw.mlh.io, click on the challenges menu that you're going to see on the top right, and then you'll have a list of those challenges. Particularly, a couple of ones that I can recall right now is one that asks you to make a weather tracking website using historical data using Velo by Wix, which is another low code, no code tool that you're going to use. Another awesome one. There's also one other thing that you can do with Wix, which is build a Magic 8 Ball website. How cool is that? You get to use the Magic 8 Ball Open API and Wix's API to build a website like that. Vinayak, how about you? Have you used Wix's API ever?
So I have a very interesting story about Wix. So, like when I was not like I was starting into hackathons, Wix was like it was earlier time for Wix. So we
Mm-hmm.
used it in MLH digital hackathons, what we call first party hackathons, which is
Mm-hmm.
hosted by MLH every week. So if you're someone who want to take part in hackathons, FPHs are hosted by Major League Hacking at almost every weekend. Coming back to Wix, our team consisted of people who only work in backend primarily,
Mm-hmm.
and we had almost no one for like developing our like front end. And we have like we have received feedbacks in our previous hackathons that you need to work on your front end because we were not able to portray it better. So
Mm-hmm.
what we did is like 2 days before the hackathon, we actually gone through the proper documentation of Wix and how
Mm-hmm.
it can be used. And believe me, if you are someone who has a clear vision, what you want to actually present to the users who will be using your software or whatever you will be making, Wix is a perfect tool for that. You just need to properly design that something in on the paper on your head. Use the tools which are available in Wix, and believe me, with the skills you have for your backend and other skills you use, Wix is going to make your work pretty easier. You just need to work on your logics for the front end, and you will be good to go. And believe me, I guess we won stickers at that, and I guess also a category prize at Major League Hacking. So you can be the next person using Wix who can win that. If you have something, you can use Wix for learning. But again, in the coming time, Wix is definitely gonna help you to reduce the time during the hackathons, and it is can be used and in n number of hackathons. I guess that makes sense.
That completely does. Go brush up your Wix skill and come back around and join us for a hosted by MLH hackathon. That's what Vinayak was referring to. We hope to see you there. Up next, what if we told you there's a chance you could win a laptop? And I know you are very surprised and you're wondering how that could happen. Twice per year, we send out our hacker census to hackers like you to help us understand what we can do to make the community more welcoming and inclusive. That's correct. All of you are guessing it already. And when you fill it up as a way of us showing our appreciation after you complete the survey, you'll be entered to win a chance to for a chance to win a brand new laptop. All of you should go do it, fill it up. I'm going to drop the link in the chat for all of you to find it right here and get started with doing that. Links in the chat now. And with that, we're at the Q&A
Uh,
session. Sorry,
Yep.
Vinayak, will you
I
say
just want
something?
to add a point.
Uh-huh.
Yep. I just want to add into MLH census. I guess you need to be honest, like while filling this particular census. You might have
Mhm.
also heard a story of the hackers who have actually won the laptop through this hacker census from our past. You can even just find it on the internet. Just try to like experience your actual hacker experience you have during this global hack weeks or hackathons, and I guess you might be the next person winning a laptop. And that's definitely a different feel if you are like having a new laptop, because when I had one, I was on a next level, like the happiness one on the next level. So you can done that, and I can already see Kushal has already done with the survey. So all the best.
That's right. We see a lot of folks in the chat saying that they've already completed the survey. That's amazing. For everybody else, the link is in the chat. Go fill it up. And it looks like it's a very light day on questions. Just scrolling up through the
Yep,
chat to see if there are any questions.
you're open to ask any sort of questions around global hack weeks, or you want something questions around hackathons or FPHs, we will be happy to answer that. Because I remember this incident. I was hosting my first ever daily stream with Mary, and we
Mhm.
just hosted, like we said that we are open for Q&A, and after that we had around 30 to 35 minutes discussion on Q&A just for hackathons. So if you are someone who is just starting out in the space, want to explore hackathons, want to explore more about global hack week, we are here to answer all your questions.
That's right. I see one question coming in here, which is about the swags. Apart from stickers, can we get any other swags? I think you're referring to the basic swag that you get when you enroll to the Discord, you fill out the swag form and all of those things. But there's also bonus swag that you get if you attend at least five sessions throughout this week. So if you do that, you are definitely getting more than stickers, I can assure you. What else do we had in the chat?
I guess you have also answered this question. Is the swags are same for our global hack week?
I would say no, it's not the same for all the global hack week. You'll definitely see, because we have themes now. Lately, you'll definitely see a lot of themed things also reaching out to you very soon. Sometimes the challenge descriptions are not complete as they do not fit the windows. I think you should probably be seeing a little scroll bar somewhere there. If not, we definitely take this up as feedback from you and we'll get back to the team and get that fixed. Thank you so much for letting us know.
Hmm, after that, okay. Hi, I know this individual from Twitter. Thank you for joining the stream.
The
Okay.
bonus saga surprise? Of course it is. It is definitely a surprise. How can we know who won the laptop? The team will definitely reach out to you once we have closed the hacker census and we run the raffle there. We'll definitely reach out to you if you've won the laptop. Another question talking about how to join MLH. Vinayak, you want to take this? Tell them a little about the
Uh,
coaches program and how you can make
yeah.
it to being one of our coaches.
Okay, so if you want to just talk about the MLS community, you just need to join Major League Hacking Discord server. Be interactive, be polite to people, participate in hackathons, and you're already a part of our community. And if I talk about if you want to join MLH, there are certain, you can always hop into mlhcareers.io. You can find all the listings there. We have coaches program, like I am a coach. And then we also have full-time roles which are available at MLS, such as which Siddharth has, and also like technical, non-technical roles. You should be able to find it at careers.mls.io. So just you need to go and search on this website, find something that is suitable to you, that you like to do, not something that you just want to be a part of MLS, but you should be able to enjoy whatever you do. So you can just go to that link and able to find all the details, I guess. But you should be a part of Discord so that you're able to get all the information. In case you're not, just go to discord.mls.io. You'll be able to join our Discord server. After that,
That's correct. I see
I
another
have filled the
question.
survey.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yep, you can. I have filled the survey but still received mails about filling it. Siddharth, if you want to take that.
You fill the survey but still receive emails about filling it. If you filled the survey already, you're good to go. I don't think you'll have to fill it again. It should probably be something to do from our side, but you can rest assured if you've filled it once. Another question here about how to submit represent a dataset pictorially challenge. Uh, it should be on our dev post. If you go to our daily dev post and look at all the challenges that are available there, you should have an option to send that across. And I'm guessing while you do that, you are going to have your code pushed onto a GitHub repository. You can just link us there on the daily dev post page. Yeah, we just noticed there's someone who answered that for us. Thank you so much.
Through their post.
That's correct.
Okay. Uh, yep.
Oops, sorry. Uh,
The question was,
mhm.
is there a confirmation mail? I haven't received one. The confirmation mail for, I guess, for the swags. Siddharth, if you want to answer that.
I think they might be referring to the survey because they mentioned that they completed the survey. If there are questions around it, would you mind raising a support ticket on the Discord server? You can go to the section which is called Get Help and then look for a channel which is called MLH Support Tickets. Raise a ticket there, and then we'd get back to you very soon. We'd have to go check on the back end. I'll have somebody from the team reply to you as well.
Just to get back to this question, if I can,
Mhm. Sure.
how to submit the represent a data set pictorially challenge. So
Mhm.
sorry. The thing is, you need to have a data set using the codes in Python, or you can just learn it in one of our Global Hack Week streams. I guess there were tons of streams where you will be learning new things. You just need to write the code for that particular data set and represent it pictorially. It can be line graph, a pie chart, or something that actually is a picture, so that you will be able to understand the data better, and that is how you can submit the challenge. And definitely, if the answer was the location, how can you do it? It was through the rave post. So I hope that makes sense.
That's correct. Another question here, which I think has already been answered, but just to get through it once again, you're going to find all the recordings on Twitch for a 30-day period, after which Twitch doesn't allow to store recordings in here. But you're going to find all of the recordings from every Global Hack Week that we have done on our YouTube channel. Go look for Major League Hacking, and you'll find all of the sessions recorded there. When do we get the mail of day 3 points? If you haven't received it yet, you will receive it very shortly, probably right after we are done with this stream. Stay tuned. I think we're at the end
And
of the questions. While we give them probably a minute more to catch up and think of any other questions that we have, Vinayak, do you want to go ahead and think of a swag drop idea for today?
uh, okay, we can do this one thing. If you have attend, like, I hope I'm able to go, like whatever I say, like will make sense for swag drop. If you
Mhm.
have attended any of the sessions for today's or any of the session you have attended from the last 4 days at Global
Mhm.
Hack Week AIML, go on Twitter, use hashtag Global Hack Week and post it. And we are gonna use like one of the tweets for same. Just use hashtag Global Hack Week so that we are able to find out through Twitter. And you need to attend a session if you have took a screenshot, if you have completed something or any session. Don't use this session, okay? You are attending this, you can take a screenshot now. But if you have attended this, okay, yes, Shay says Twitter is non-existent. Okay, do we need to find another way, or we are we good with this, Siddharth?
Your call. It's your day to decide how we do swag drops today.
Uh, yes, let's keep the swag drop for you for the next time. Let's try to find people on Twitter if they need, but they need to use Global Hack Week hashtag Global Hack Week for that.
Yes. Uh, and while you're looking for those tweets, let me go back and get a couple of more questions that appeared in the chat. Um, swag drop, yes, we're doing that right now. Check-in link for sessions. We do not have the check-in links for daily sessions anymore, so you're good to go there. Is fig and honey better than butterscotch? It is for me. I'd wait for all of you to tell me if it was for you as well. What else do we have here? Send the hashtag here. Of course, we can send it across to you. It is hashtag Global Hack Week. There you go. It should be in the chat now.
Yep, hashtag Global Hack Week. I'm just gonna find if that will be on Twitter. Global Hack Week. You need to post something regarding Global Hack Week. Just not just posting Global Hack Week will actually make you out of the competition. Just use Global Hack Week and post another any type of screenshot you have learned something during Global Hack Week AIML week, and that will be good.
That's correct. And Vinayak, do we have tweets pouring in already?
Yep, I am just waiting to find multiple tweets so that I will use the random generator to find one.
Good idea. We'll probably give them a couple of minutes more, if that's okay. And then we'll announce a winner.
We will, yep, we can give them 2 to 3 minutes more. Let's see
Sure,
if
sounds good. I can see Yash is not very happy about us promoting Fig and Honey on the stream. We're not doing it anymore, Yash. Butterscotch is the king of the ice creams. Could be, just not for me, I think.
might disagree there, but still.
What's your favorite
Okay.
flavor of ice cream, Vinayak?
Uh, so I usually eat chocolate a lot, but
Mhm.
I definitely like a mixture of vanilla and chocolate. I don't know why. So whenever I go to a shop, I just ask like to mix both.
Okay.
What you have written, Yash, is just difficult to read. Uh, the problem is I'm able to find out tweets,
Mhm.
but like just a second, let me use a filter. Advanced search
Well, I
from.
see quite a few tweets coming in already.
Okay, I'll give you the this thing to pick up one winner. I have suggested the way you pick up the winner.
Okay. Cool. Let me go ahead and
Kushal, write something. If you do not have the SS, just write something about Global Hack Week which you have liked till now, any of the sessions you have attended. Tag that particular, not tag, but at least write the name of the creator so that we will be able to know, okay, you have attended a session from Will or from Kev and you have learned this thing. Mini events is something we just do for fun, but like the main purpose of Global Hack Weeks is that if you are able to learn something new,
that
and we
is
are gonna
correct.
wait for next 2 minutes,
30.
and Siddharth is going to pick the winner. And in that case, I will not be beaten up by people to be picking up a winner.
Don't worry, you are everybody's favorite. And I can see a lot of tweets coming in, tweets from this session, tweets from other sessions from today. A lot of love being put to all of the streamers.
Now I am able to see tweets.
Yes, it's up there.
A lot of tweets.
Cool. I think we might be at time right now. I'm going to quickly have one last refresh here and then go pick a random one. I'm going to scroll down, and wherever my mouse stops, we're going to have them as the winner for today. We have our winner. I'm going to drop the name of the winner on the chat, and then we're going to quickly verify if they are here.
Let's do a drum roll. Let's do a drum roll from people before dropping the name.
Yes.
Just for non-Twitter
Drum rolls
users.
coming in.
I can see drum rolls. And the winner is, even I don't know, so
Winner is in the chat. If you are here in the
okay.
chat,
Ayush.
if you're here in the chat, screenshot this, go create a ticket on Discord because you have won yourself a swag drop.
I hope the Twitter ID is same. Ayush.
Yes, I see Ayush is here.
Yep.
Great
Hey,
work,
Ayush,
Ayush.
congratulations.
Yes, to many more swag drops like this one. And Yash, you are not alone. We're going to make sure that you also have one very, very, very soon.
Very, very.
Vinayak, any parting
Yash,
notes here? Anything that you would want to tell our hackers?
yep. Just want to tell, enjoy. This swag drops is definitely gonna come your way today or tomorrow because you all are loved hackers and just love spending time with you folks. And Kushal, it's okay. Might be tomorrow. You're gonna see me, Siddharth, a lot of MLHs on the daily streams doing swag drops, and even and we just want that you just need to enjoy this Global Hack Week with us and learn something new. And you might not know that swag drop might just be around the corner. It's just the time. And yep, that will be all from my side before I become a TEDx speaker. Siddharth.
That's accurate. A lot of swag drops coming your way very soon. Go enjoy yourselves. Have a lot of friends. Stay hydrated. We're going to see you very, very soon. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye, Vinayak. Bye, all of you.
Bye everyone. Take care.